one of my favorite topic that I often discuss with my students. So when we call, or what is a concentration point now? So on the charts, the area where the buyers and the sellers are engaged in a substantial fight, that area we call it as concentration point. I repeat, when on the charts, the area that we can see on the charts where buyers and the sellers are engaged in a fight, and the fight has to be substantive. What it means now? It means, if you can see on the chart that I have taken out for you, if you can see over here, there is a fight between buyers and sellers. If you can see, the buyers are trying to pull the price up, the sellers are trying to push the price down. Again, the buyers are trying to push the price up. Again, the sellers are trying to push the price down. Again, the buyers are trying to push the price up. Okay, and it continues. So this particular area, we are going to call it as concentration points. This is a very interesting topic, and this is the foundation of the advanced concepts that we are going to learn in the upcoming modules. So we have to be very proficient in finding out the concentration points. As you can see over here, few of things I have marked. This is a concentration point. This is a concentration point. There is a fight between, there is a substantial fight between the buyers and sellers. Okay, so this is a concentration point. Again, you can see over here, this is a concentration point. The fight between the buyers and the sellers, which is substantial. So now if we are clear on the concentration points over this chart, I'll give you a few more examples on the charts in the charting platform so that you can understand it better, because showing screenshots would not help you people. Okay, Adani. If you can see over here, this is a concentration point in Adani Green. In the screen, on the screen, you can see a stock Adani Green, and this is a 1 hour time frame that I have taken out. And here you can see there was a substantial fight over here. There was a good fight over here as well. Now there was also a fight here, right? The fights has to be substantial. That is the rule that you need to take care of. Now if you can see this particular, let me grab a pen. If you can see over here, this particular area, right? Do you think this is a substantial fight between the buyers and sellers? No, right? The buyers are very strong. There was just a small retracement, small fight. They just tried to fire 1 or 2 bullets, might be, and then again the price went up. So this is not a substantial fight. So this is not going to be a concentration point. Let's move on to a different stock now. Aditya Birla. Okay, here if you can see, this is a substantial fight, right? For quite some time there was a fight between the buyers and sellers, and finally buyers were able to take the price higher. This is a substantial fight. There is a fight between buyers and sellers. Substantial fight. Correct? If you take a look at this particular term, concentration point, it means the candles, the buyers and the seller candles, are within a right spot over here. So this means there is a concentration point over here. So now we are clear on the concentration points. Now we can move on to the next advanced concept, that is levels and the levels break.